nvidia GeForce RTX 5090 likely to leverage GDDR7 32GB per second memory for 1536GB per second of bandwidth. Micron has updated its GPU memory roadmap, adding high-bandwidth GDDR7, HBM4, and HBM4E solutions for next-gen graphics cards. The HBM side will remain limited to the data center. However, GDDR7 will likely be leveraged by nvidia in its RTX 5090 and other high-end 50 series gaming GPUs. Lower-end RTX 5060 and 5070 should continue to rely on fine-tuned GDDR6X solutions. Micron plans 2 iterations of GDDR7 memory for gaming GPUs. The first will debut in the second half of 2024, just ahead of the 12-high HBM3E data center memory. It will be a major uplift over existing GDDR6X solutions, offering an effective clock of 32 gigabits per second versus 21 gigabits per second and 22.5 gigabits per second on the RTX 4090 and 4080, respectively. Assuming that the GeForce RTX 5090 features a 384-bit bus, the use of 2000 MHz GDDR7, 32 gigabits per second effective memory would result in an external memory bandwidth of 1536 GB per second, 52% higher than the 1,08 GB/s managed by the RTX 4090. In terms of density, GDDR7 will offer 24 G6 memory dies, up from 16 gigabits with GDDR6X. Both these advances should technically allow the GeForce RTX 5090 to feature up to 36 GB of GDDR7 memory clocked at 2000 MHz or 32 gigabits per second, effective. The resulting bandwidth would be 1536 GB per second, much higher than any GDDR6/GDDR6X solutions currently on the market. Speaking of GDDR6X, nvidia may decide to equip the RTX 40 Supers with faster 24 gigabits per second memory kits. That would offer a healthy bandwidth and performance upgrade without increasing the BOM by much. The RTX 4080 Super, and perhaps the 4070 Ti Super, could get this upgrade. Unlikely for the RTX 4070 Super as it targets 1080p and 1440p gaming.